mismatch in the industry, in the product is not always for technological unavailability in the market. For my case, it was the affordability of that specific industry. I went to Japan, 𝐀𝐬𝐢𝐼𝐹 University, to develop a product to match with the microfinance industry. So this type of opportunity is available. There are two different scenarios. Industry expects universities to produce students with specific skills, where universities cannot deal with some specific product or something. Like university cannot teach Oracle itself only. University can teach database. But a company wants somebody who knows about Oracle. So this gap I always hear in Bangladesh, these gaps are always there. That university is producing students who cannot work in my company. So what we can do, we can work with the companies to facilitate their work and their researches in the industry, which already started in some small activities. Another option is that whenever students are coming out of the universities, they do not have specific knowledge that industry needs. For example, in today's world, AI and other tools which can be used as a very fruitful or which can create employment, or we can create some workshop, we can create some internship with the industry. And you will be happy to know that Uttara University is working on that to develop some sort of handshaking with the industry, so that we can have interns within the university who can be employed after they finish their degrees. So with that aspect, I want to conclude my talk, and I wish that this initiative will create results in the coming days. Thank you very much.